This is electrical signal. Now this electrical signal so this is output of your input transducer, right? So this input is L, right? Now this electrical signal is converted into binary form using source encoder. So now it is converted into zeros and ones. But how they are converted? Example H. What is the ask value of this H? Ask value A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8th alphabet. Right? So it is ask value is 38. So this 3 is represented in binary. Yes?
0011
1. And 8 is
1000
1.
000.
Right? Now this value is this H is counted as binary form. That is 0011 and 1000. But it not only converts this electrical into binary, but also it reduces the number of bits. Right? Instead of 2 zeros, 2 ones. It will consider only 1 0, 1 1. And here comes 1 0 for this 2 0 1 using some predefined algorithms. So source encoder does not only convert electrical into binary, but electrical into a reduced form of binary. Instead of 8 bits for H, it will use only 4 to 5 bits. Right? Next, these are given to the channel encoder. Right? Channel encoder. So channel encoder is the one which adds extra bits. Source encoder, what it does? It converts electrical into binary. But here bits are reduced. So redundant bits are reduced because 0 0 can be sent as only single 0. 1 1 can be sent as only 1. So here 4 bits are reduced to 2 bits. So we are reducing the redundant bits, extra bits in source encoder. Whereas in channel encoder, in order to avoid the noise interference, we are adding the extra redundant bits. So the function of the channel encoder is to add the extra bit so that avoid noise avoidance can be done at the channel. That's why it's called as a channel encoder. So because it related to the properties of channels. Why it is adding means it is adding so that if any noise is affected, it can detect and eliminate. So example, so we got only 4 bits for hello, 0 1 and 1 0 instead of 4 bits. But this channel encoder, what it does? Now it adds extra bits. So instead of 0, it will take as 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. For 1 1 1 1 1. Right? For this one also 4 ones. For 0 also 4 0. Right? If any error occurs because of noise. So in binary, error means 0 changes to 1 or 1 changes to 0. Binary. Right? So here, if because of noise, if any bit 1 or 2 bits are affected, what happens? Now this 0 0 becomes 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. So here these 2 bits are got noise and this 1 bit got changed due to noise. Then also we can recover because when you compare the here 1 1 and 0 0 are equal. It can treat as 1 or 0. But here 3 1 and 1 0. So priorities are what you call majorities. Majority numbers are 1. So your message is 0 1. After that also you are getting 0 1. Right? So what we are doing? We are adding extra bits. These are called as the redundant bits in order to avoid the noise interference at the channel. This is the precaution. Right? We are thinking that there will be an error in the channel. That's why we are adding this. Right? Now at the receiver we will get these bits 0 0 0 unaffected one 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. Right? Instead of 0. So it will treat as for since there are 3 zeros and only 1, it will treat as 0, and for this it treat as 1. Because of this channel encoder, it is possible to get exact value. Right? Next, digital modulator. Digital modulator. Name itself indicates. Digital modulator. Modulation already know. Amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, phase modulation. Those are analog modulations. Digital modulation means amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying, phase shift keying. Phase shift keying. Got this? You will study in the higher semester. Right? You just know. So these are the digital modulation keys. Right? Now this digital modulated signal now enters the channel. So again channels are the, it may be a telephone cable, twisted, coaxial or coaxial or free space. Next, here reverse process. Right? You take these set values and convert it into 0 and 1. Right? Now it will get into the channel decode. Sorry. Output of channel decoder is 0 1. Now it is moving to the source encoder where again this 0 1 is nothing but a 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. You consider as a this, and it will generate what is called as what H. Now this H, it is a electrical. Actually it is not exactly H, it is a signal, not continuous time signal. 0 means 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. So 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0. This is the action. This is also continuous time signal, right? Now this signal is converted into required H. This is for only H. For hello, you require more number of bits. Right? So in channel encoder, application like military applications, we use PN sequence, pseudo noise sequence, that will generate randomly sequences. Right? Example, for 0, it will generate 1000 zeros. For 1, 1000 ones. Right? So same information. So this 0 1 1 0, it is converted into how many bits? These are 4 bits. In PN sequence, it will convert these district into 4000, 4k bits. 1 bit 0 is represented by 1000 zeros. 1000 ones. Next 1000 ones, 0 1000 ones. If noise affects 50% also, then also you can record. So this will be used in applications like national security agencies, like military applications, space applications. They will use these. Right? This is about the digital communication system. So difference between that electric current, this is here, it is converted into binary. So ಆರಂಭ.
ಬರ್ರಿ ಬರ್ರಿ